Have you ever wondered why the ocean is salty, while lakes and rivers remain relatively fresh? Let's dive deeper into this fascinating phenomenon. When rainwater falls on land, it possesses a slight acidity that interacts with the rocks on the Earth's surface, gradually dissolving them and carrying the dissolved salts along its journey. As the runoff makes its way into streams and rivers, it eventually reaches the mighty ocean. But what happens to the dissolved salts in the water? When water from the ocean evaporates into the atmosphere, the salts are left behind. This process repeats as the evaporated water returns to the land as rain, dissolving more salts from the rocks in a never-ending cycle spanning millions of years. But that's not the only way the ocean receives its saltiness. In the depths of the ocean, an extraordinary discovery has been made. Deep-sea hot water vents, with their mesmerizing ecosystems, also contribute to the ocean's salt content. The scalding hot water emanating from these vents dissolves rocks beneath the seabed, much like rain dissolves rocks on the surface. As a result, large amounts of salts are released, finding their way into the ocean. You might think that all this salt pouring into the oceans would make them continuously saltier. However, nature has its way of maintaining a delicate balance. Over geological time, the ocean has reached a state of equilibrium. Chemical reactions within the water limit the extent to which it becomes saltier. When dissolved salts reach a certain concentration, they undergo precipitation, settling as sediment on the sea floor. Additionally, marine life, such as clams and plankton, actively extracts salts from the ocean, preventing it from becoming excessively salty. Now, let's shift our focus to salt lakes. There are two types, each with its own unique characteristics. The first type, like the salt lakes found in Utah, lack outlets for water drainage and experience substantial evaporation. Just like small oceans, water flows into these lakes, carrying salts with it. As the water evaporates, the salts are left behind, gradually increasing the lake's salinity over time. The second type of salt lake is incredibly rare. These lakes occur in geological areas where the surrounding rocks are naturally rich in salt. Rather than gradual weathering and salt accumulation, heavy rainfall leaches a significant amount of salt from the rocks in the watershed, resulting in highly saline lakes. So the ocean's saltiness is a result of the intricate interplay between the water cycle, chemical reactions, biological processes, and the remarkable discoveries within the depths of our planet's oceans. From the vast saltwater expanses to the unique salt lake formations, the salty wonders of our world continue to captivate and intrigue us.